Good morning, children. Jayadash here. Today we will do a new chapter called Practical Geometry, chapter number 14. Here we will construct a circle, a line segment, etc. by using the instrument you will get in the geometric box. This is known as compasses. This is compass. This is protractor, and this is triangles. Two kinds of triangles you can see here, and this is ruler. When you will use compass, you should be very careful because it has sharp end. So whenever you are using it, you should be very careful, and whenever you are using it, you have to be careful that the length of this should be same. As if it is smaller than this line, then you are not able to construct. If it is taller than this length, then it will be not good. And the length of the pencil should be smaller than the length of the compass. Understood? Now what you have to do, you have to do in this draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. How to draw a radius of circle, radius 3.2 centimeter? Now first of all, draw a line segment whose measure is 3.2 centimeter. So first of all, put a dot on the point 0, put a dot and another 3.2. After 3, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These small markings are there. So 3.2, you will just take after 3 two small dots, two small marks. Now from these marks you will take the line up towards the 0, and from 0 to 3.2. In this way you have to draw the exact measurement of 3.2. Understood? It is 3.2 centimeter. Now using this length you have to draw a circle. That means this is the length of the radius. Now measure this radius. Now measure this radius. See, exact measurement you have to take. Have you seen? It is exactly 3.2 centimeter I have taken. Now put a dot to make the center of the circle. Put your pointer over here and draw the circle. Putting the pointer on the center, draw the circle. Understood? After doing this, you have to show the radius of the circle. Length of the radius you have taken 3.2 centimeters, so no need to measure now. Already you have taken that measurement only. So just join the line from the center to the circle, and it is center O, and this is 3.2 centimeter. Okay. Now next question is, with the same center O, draw two circles of radii 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. That means center will be same, the radius are different. One radius is 4 centimeter and another is 2.5. You know how to take the measurement. It is 0 and it is on 4. I will make another dot, then take the line towards 0 and from 0 towards 4. In this way you have to draw exact measurement 4 centimeter, and another you have to take 2.5 centimeter. Again on 0 and 2.5, it is 2.5 centimeter. By using these two radius you have to draw a concentric circle. That means circle with same center but different radius. This is known as concentric circle. Take this measurement. First of all, we are taking 4 centimeter and we will draw a circle. Then I will take another measurement, another radius which is 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. With this 2.5 centimeter, again with the same center, we will draw another circle. It is very easy. You have to practice a little bit and then you can draw these two circles. Now you have to mark the center as O, and it is 2.5 centimeter, and this one four centimeter. It is 2.5 centimeter and it is 4 centimeter. Understood? When you have to mark the center, always it is O, and these two concentric circles you have to draw. Next one is, now see question number 4. We have done 1, 2 and then 4. Whatever we are doing, do this only. Draw any circle and mark points A, B, C such that A is on the circle, B is in the interior of the circle, and C is in the exterior of the circle. That means you have to take any measurement. I have taken this measurement without any as it is not mentioned, so I have taken this measurement and I have to draw a circle by using this radius. Put your pointer on the center and draw one circle. Next, what you have to do, A is on the circle. This is center O. You know this is a circle and we are taking O as center because O is not mentioned here, so no need to be worried about it. Now O is the center of the circle, A is on the circle. That means on this circle, that is the boundary of the circle, A will be anywhere. So we have to mark, say A is here, B is in the interior of the circle. So interior of the circle, this portion is interior of the circle, anywhere you can put B. Take B here, and C is in the exterior of the circle. So inside the whatever the space inside the circle, except this all are exterior of the circle, so anywhere you can put C. Say C is here. Understood? A is on the circle, B is interior of the circle, and C is exterior of the circle. I hope you will enjoy this construction. Thank you, children.